What is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. So in this video, we're going to be installing my new front lip because I smashed the crap out of my old one. You guys will see later on in the video. And we're also going to be coating the car to do some special features. So here's my old lip. This is what's left of it. I went out of town last weekend and I hit something in the middle of the road. So we're gonna be putting on this new lip right here. Thanks to my boy Greg. Alright guys, look at this old lip. This thing is junk already. Alright, now let's put on this new one. So the lip came without any holes in it, so now we gotta drill the holes. Alright guys, it's a new day today. We didn't get to the coating part yesterday. All we did was install the front lip. But today we're going to go ahead and do that. But first we got to wash the car because it is really dirty right now. Just check out how dirty the car is. It's horrible right now. So let's go ahead and take the car to get washed. Then we'll come back and start the coating process. This is my boy Matthew's M5. This shit came out clean. Just got done getting the car wash. Shout out to the boys at Sunlight Detail. Now we're gonna head to my friend Greg's house so we can get the car coated. Alright guys, here's a little OBD plug for the coating. It's called V-Peak. And then you just use the app called Beamer Code to coat it. So plugged in the OBD. Now just hit connect and choose the car. So mine is a F80 M3. Always gotta have the puffs on deck. There we go. Now it's done loading. So these are all the different control units you can choose. Let's try front electronic module. Well, that took a little longer than expected, but here's all the options. I'm just gonna set it down and let's go through them.
Hey Tato, you showed the video yet? Not yet.
It's mine, stupid.
Is it working?
Yeah, but that's not that good.
What, this? Yeah, it's alright.
Angel Eye brightness low beam.
I put everything at 100, fuck it.
Yeah, but what the hell is Angel Eye brightness low beam?
I don't know. Oh,
when your normal headlights are on. Should I put that high?
Yeah.
Brake force display flashing. Did you put that on?
No, I don't have that.
So like when you hit the brakes,
it just
flashes in the back.
Yeah, I don't have that though.
Convenient opening. What the hell is that? During convenient opening, the windows are open and the power folding mirrors are unfolded. Yeah, I have that. Headlight washers active. Should I deactivate those?
I deactivate them.
It's better to deactivate them.
Yeah.
Or else it's gonna
dirty.
Yeah, it's gonna dirty the front end.
US side markers
Off.
Let's do the GTS.
Oh yeah.
That shit's fucking sick.
I'm down to do that.
That's sick.
And I want to do that Rolls Royce interior sound too. Oh, you put this on, huh?
What is that?
It shows the speed.
Yeah.
On the instrument cluster. Startup logo. Should I put M for GTS or M Performance?
No, GTS.
We'll do GTS. Start code. I think that was a Rolls Royce chime.
There
Oh.
it is.
This is GTS now. The rest of the shit, you didn't even
I
do
didn't
anything,
really
huh?
do anything else. Chassis.
The main ones were just head unit, the electronic module. So you do get a lot of options. There's a lot of modules that you can code, but there isn't really too many cool things that you can add on. So what I did, now it says GTS when you turn the car off or start it. It's a pretty cool logo, so I thought I'd try it out for a little bit. I can always change it back. And I also got a different chime when you start the car, so that noise you guys just heard was a new chime. That too. I do recommend it, to be honest. If you guys have any BMW chassis, it supports a lot of the new chassis. So the dongle is called VPeak, and then the app you use is called Beamer Code. Another thing I also coded was the mirrors. So now when I lock the door and hold down, the mirrors fold in. And then when I unlock it, the mirrors come out, which is a pretty cool option. I also brightened the angel eyes so they look a little brighter. But that's really it. There are a lot of other options, but not too many cool ones. But it's still worth it. Alright guys, so that's basically it. What the hell is this one doing? So I guess this is the new way of detailing your car.